So happy math day, everybody. Just a quick video on sort of these two new things, logs and roots. They're kind of used for two different things. On your calculator, logs, the log button probably just says log, right? So I see here like log. That's your button for that. And for roots, it's going to look like some version of this, like the X with the root and then the Y inside. Yours may look like this, like just the little X with the root without that Y. So it's important to know how that works on your calculator. Most scientific calculators have these buttons. And these two functions are used for two different things. So log, we use log when we're looking for an exponent. So somebody tells you like 2 to some exponent equals 32, and we want to figure out how that works. Okay, so that's easy. We rearrange this question so that the question mark comes down onto the main line equals the log of 32 divided by the log of 2. So you're going to get something that looks like that. On your calculator, I'm going to type in this top number and then press log. So I'm going to type in 32 log, and I'm going to divide that by 2 log, and then hit equals. And we get 5. Question mark equals 5. So what that means is 2 to the exponent of 5 will equal 32. 2 to the exponent of 5 equals 32. Let's see if that makes sense. So this YX button is our exponent button. So I'm going to type in 2, exponent button, 5, hit equals. Holy guacamoles, we get 32. It works out. So that's how we use log when we need to find an exponent. On the flip side, a root is when we know the exponent, but we don't know what the bottom number is. So in this case, we're going to rearrange this little equation to look something different. Question mark is going to equal that little symbol with a little 4 inside of it and the 81 inside of it like that. To type that into the calculator, not sure how well you can see this, but sort of between the off button and this YX button, see this little X root Y thing? That's the thing we need. And to activate it, we need to hit this second function. So we're going to try doing that. I'm going to type in, so on these calculators, the Y's have to go in first. So if you see on the calculator, the Y is the thing like down inside the root. So I'm going to type that in first, then type a second function to activate this weird button, and then type in the 4. Okay, so let's try that. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed, legs crossed, toes crossed, everything's crossed. 81, second function, funny button, 4, hit equals. 3, okay. So question mark equals 3. That means that 3 to the power of 4 should give us 81. Let's try it. 3 to the power of 4, does that give us 81? I don't know, we're going to find out in a second. The suspense is killing me. 3 to the power of 4 equals 81. Yay! We did something! This is great. So this is the difference between logs and roots. We just use them when we need to find different unknowns. Use logs when you need to find an exponent. Use roots when you know the exponent and you need to find the base number. Happy mathing, everybody. Cheers.